Alright guys, welcome back. In this video we're going to be looking at exactly how you can go ahead to find the various ads of your competitors, okay, because that will still help you to to build on the market map as well. It's going to help when you start putting together your empathy map. Of course, the next video we're going to, or the next section, we're going to be talking about the empathy map. So it's going to help you there. So it's best that you know how to go finding the ads that your competitors are running. All right, so it's still going to help you populate the market map. All right, so this site is droppoint.site. Their subscription is like $5 every month, so you could just subscribe for a month and just do your research. Okay, and basically when you're doing your research, you need your keyword. So for what we're trying to build here is high blood pressure. So you type in high blood pressure and you choose the country. Of course, it's going to be Nigeria, right? And then you can Nigeria, right? So like so, and you just filter. Okay, so you do filter and you're going to have your field populated with the ads. Okay, for me, I no longer make use of it because I have another one I make use of. There's no point having to keep subscribing to both of them. So I make use of this, and this is what I've done. I've used the keyword high blood pressure, like I said, and what I do here is I'm looking at the persons who have run the longest, and of course the country here is Nigeria, right? So I have these different ads here and competitors, so you can see what they are doing and their messaging as well. Okay, this gives you an idea into their messaging, and I'm going to look at these guys, right? Look at the comment section. I want to look at the kind of people who are commenting. All right, so what I mean is, for instance, if we look at let's say, okay, looking at this now, and look, we can find their URL here. Let's see what they're saying right there. Okay, so you can see their demographic here is 100% male, right? 100% male. They don't target females. And look at the age group that they are targeting. They target 20 to 24 and 45 to 54. So this gives you an idea into the winning winning demographics of these guys, right? So that tells you, oh, this is, so once we start going to our empathy map and creating a customer avatar, this is going to give us an idea into who we can really target with our ads, right? Because these guys have been run, these guys ran these ads for a very long time. No, I saw this ad some time ago. It ran last seen this ad was in 2020. So it's not running anymore. Okay, but this is just basically gives you an idea into what these guys are doing with their ads. Okay, so for instance, let's see, we can view it on Facebook. And what I mean by looking into the ad section is, that's what I want to show you, by the way. Let me see now. Look at their landing page. This is where they were sending people to from Facebook, right? This, and they were doing well with it for them to run the ads for a long time. Okay, so here is it right here. And please, can I get a direct information in the T plan? So you want to, for instance, open this, because these are your competitors. I'm sorry, these are your target customers, right? These are people who you're going to be targeting. Glory be to God, please send me your number, I need it. So these are people you want to look at. You want to research into them, what they are likes. Once we move into the empathy map and creating the customer avatar, this is where this information is going to be really very, very helpful. So what you want to do is you always want to populate this market map, so that when you get into the empathy map and you start fleshing it out, it will be easier for you to really know who your target audience really is. You know their likes and their pains, things that they're going through, and all that, things they've seen. A lot of things that we're going to be looking at in the empathy map section. All right, so that's what you want to do. It's same thing you can do with so you can see that there are a couple of them right here. Look at this one, Dr. Atkins page, 3 foods to avoid for high blood pressure. I love this one, right? So it's more like using the same way that I'm kind of teaching you guys, right? Educating and not directly sending people to your offer page. Let's see, maybe he's doing the opposite of what I'm saying, but let's just see what he's doing, right? Let's see the details as well. Let's see the kind of targeting that he's doing. So this was first seen, second, and last seen. This guy is telling me he ran for it. They know that's actually not correct. And you can look at these two as well. The people they are targeting are just males, not females, right? And look at the age range that these guys are targeting: 20 to 24, 35 to those are the guys we're targeting, 40 something to whatever, I can't remember. So, but look at this. If we look at this, the okay, maybe the site is no longer available or something. Maybe I think they are no longer, but you can see right here it says 3 foods to avoid for high blood pressure. So you can see this guy takes them to this article, and before they not take them to their offer page. All right, that is another way to go. Okay, I really love this image that they are making use of right here. So this gives you an idea into the kind of messaging that your competitors are using, how they structure things, the kind of messaging, right? They are targeting and all that. That gives the kind of creatives that people are responding to in the market. All of this, like a lot of things that you naturally wouldn't know, and you will be assuming. Okay, so doing this will give you an idea of what the market is already, what's actually going on in the market already. This informs you into how you can now proceed with your own marketing and position yourself even better than your competitors. All right, so that's it guys for this video. I'm going to see you guys in the next video.